Hi everyone, this is Brian, sales manager at Della Subaru in Plattsburgh. Sometimes when our customers come in for a service appointment, they're not exactly sure where to go, and I wanted to go over that with you today. So right in the front of the building we have this overhead door. You're going to want to pull up to this door when you come in for your appointment, just like it says on the sign right here. Pull right up to the door at a normal speed, and there is a motion detector in the top left corner there that will detect your vehicle and will automatically open the garage door when you pull in. If for some reason the door does not open, just go ahead and give your horn a little beep and we'll be sure to open the door for you. Once the door is opened all the way, go ahead and pull right inside. Don't be shy, pull right up. And then you can go through the second glass door on the side right here. And either Audrey or Ryan will be happy to check you in for your service appointment. We also do take walk-ins if you just need an oil change done with our new Subaru Express service. If you're here for that, in which case you're going to want to speak with Helen, who will be sitting at this desk right here. So either Helen, Audrey, or Ryan will be happy to assist you when you come in for your service appointment, and we'll be sure to get you in and out as quickly as possible and provide you with some top-notch service. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to give us a call at 518-324-8400. Have a great day.